In this video, I'll show you how to copy a Jotform from one account to another. To do this, open your two Jotform accounts in different browsers or private windows. In the first account, locate the form you want to copy. As an example, let's say you want to transfer a classic form from one account to another. Hover over the form you want to copy and click Edit Form. Once the form editor opens, click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down and click Show More Options. Keep scrolling until you find the setting labeled Prevent Cloning. Make sure this option is set to No, which allows the form to be cloned by others. Next, go to the Publish tab and click on Copy Link to copy the form's URL. Now move to your second Jotform account. From the dashboard, click on Create in the top left-hand side and choose Form. On the next screen, select Import Form, and you'll see two import options. Click on From a web page. In the input box that appears, paste the link you copied earlier from your first account. Click Create Form, and Jotform will begin cloning the original form into your second account. Within moments, you'll see the exact same form created under your second account. You can now make changes to it, add new fields, or modify the design just like any other form. The cloned version is completely independent, so any edits you make here won't affect the original. Return to your home page, and you'll see the new form listed among your existing forms. That's how you can successfully copy a form from one Jotform account to another.